Good to see you, Aditya.
Good to see you
The
too.
very first thing comes in my mind when I hear your name, Aditya Singh Rajput. You remind me of late Sushant Singh Rajput.
A lot of people think that maybe I'm related to him. Unfortunately, whatever happened, I was getting a lot of messages.
Mhm.
But I met him twice in life, and he was full of life, and he's a very, very sweet guy. So unfortunate about him.
What was your conversation with him the time when you met him?
We met at parties, and we met with some friends, and it was hi bye and chilling together, and that's it.
How's your journey so far? How you started in the industry, and do you always wanted to be a part of this industry? How did it happen?
Well, I was always into dance from the childhood when I was a kid, and my parents, my mom always encouraged me that okay, मेरा बच्चा, you know how all moms are, मेरा बेटा कितना अच्छा डांस करता है, कितना अच्छा दिखता है, this and that. So she encouraged me, and slowly I got into it, and ads and auditions. Slowly it just happened. I was very lucky. I was very focused, so it started happening. Yes.
Have you ever felt like yaar, it's not happening? I should go back.
Never. Actually.
What is the strength behind this?
I was very lucky from the beginning. I was getting good work, and I was very choosy from the beginning also. I'm a National Award nominee, and for my first film itself. So I never thought that I should go back because I don't know. Actually, I never thought that. This is the first time actually somebody is asking me ever I thought.
See, there's a struggle period in the industry. Nothing is there in the plate.
Exactly.
Once you are here in Mumbai, there's an audition period. There are times when you go for the audition. There are times when you carry your profile along with in your file, in your bag, and you go for the audition. Sometimes down the line, things doesn't work out the way you're expecting it.
I was never scared of struggling, or I was never scared of being myself. I was never scared of कि मेरा होगा या नहीं होगा, because I feel in this profession, or I think in anything, the first thing you have to do is believe yourself, and you need to be learning every time. You have to be a learner, and you have to move with the life and with the generations changing in today's world, because I think everything is changing so fast in today's world. So if you're refreshing yourself, if you're reinventing yourself, I don't think so there is any question of going back or even getting old school, which is happening nowadays a lot.
What is your success mantra, and what was your turning point in the industry?
Turning point was my first film, Maine Gandhi Ko Nahi Mara, with Mr. Anupam Kher, and I was doing ads, and I was just called once to meet Janu Barwa, who's like 10 times National Award winner. So actually I didn't know at that time who he was, and I met him because a friend was assisting him who I've worked with in a couple of ads, and I met him, I auditioned, and I just got through. So मैं बॉम्बे में तब रह भी नहीं रहा था, आ जा रहा था, and we did that, and then I started auditioning, and the first thing when I got into this profession was that I started reading exactly what is required to be an actor, and what is there in trend. So I need to move with trend. Like pehle I was doing all cute roles. This is also a very cute project, this is also a very cute project. But अगर आप देखें अभी December में 2020 में I colored my hair blue. I thought I'm going to take a break for a month or two from everything, because anyway 2020 was very stressful year, and we were just getting out of the pandemic, which we are still not out yet. But okay, fine, things were opening. So I thought it's time to take a break. I changed my house. I thought I'm going to take a break. मैंने अपने बालों को छोटा करा लिया और blue करा लिया, and best pictures डाल दिए. So I started getting work in that also. And so it was not a deliberate plan to actually color my hair blue, but within I'm a very funky boy, and I'm a different person altogether from what actually I portray on screen. So it's just believing in yourself. At times you don't even think, and doors opens. But so I'm a pretty happy-go-lucky person. ठीक है, काम होता है तो हो, नहीं होता तो नहीं हो. I was never desperate. So I think maybe that mantra worked for me.
Okay, tell us about Meri Aashiki. This is something absolutely different,
No, this is what I've been doing only. I am known to be a romantic.
There's a gap.
There is a gap, yes. So Meri Aashiki happened. I got selected on Instagram. The producer Reena Mehta, and the singer of the song, she contacted me on Instagram, because on Instagram also I endorse and influence a lot of big brands. So I think she saw some post of mine or some comment, I don't know, and she contacted me and she sent me the song. So I loved the song, एंड देन शी अरेंज अ मीटिंग विद द डायरेक्टर मिस्टर सुनील अग्रवाल. तो हम लोग एक लाउंज में मिले फॉर अ मील एंड सम मॉकटेल्स एंड वी क्लिक्ड देयर एंड देन. और मुझे पता था ही इज़ अ वेरी बिग नेम, ही इज़ एसोसिएटेड विद मिस्टर सलमान खान. सो हम लोग बहुत कैजुअली मिले. मेरा ये होता है कि हम मिल रहे हैं, हमने एक्चुअली काम की कम बातें करी और चिल ज़्यादा किया. एंड 1 महीने में हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे और बहुत मज़ा आया शूट करने में. देन माई को एक्टर ईशानी, हम लोग बहुत मस्ती करते थे, मैं उसे हमेशा हंसाता ही रहता था. और मेरा ये भी मंत्र होता है कि व्हेन ऑब्वियसली मी एंड ईशानी आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स, शी इज़ ऑल्सो फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया. मेरा ये भी फंडा होता है कि अगर आप ऑफ सेट आई मीन जब आप बिहाइंड द सीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती कर रहे हो तो ऑन स्क्रीन आपकी केमिस्ट्री डेफिनेटली अच्छी दिखेगी. तो प्रोजेक्ट हमेशा अच्छा ही आता है. अभी भी हम लोग इतने अच्छे दोस्त हैं. रीना इज़ अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड. हम कल शाम को ही बात कर रहे थे कि अभी आज इंटरव्यूज़ है तो हमें क्या क्या करना चाहिए दिस एंड दैट. सो मैंने उन्हें बोला कि बस आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू बी माई सेल्फ और जो होगा वो बात करेंगे.
What was the director brief about this album?
It's a very filmy song. I mean, there are a couple of sequences, and it's a story of a couple. And लड़का लड़की को बहुत ज़्यादा अपने बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता है, उसको प्रिंसेस की तरह ट्रीट करता है. सो दिस म्यूजिक वीडियो विल बी अ ट्रीट फॉर गर्ल्स हु आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग आउट फॉर अ बॉयफ्रेंड हु इज़ लाइक हिम. सो तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी रोमांटिक सॉन्ग. जो लोग प्यार में हैं उनके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है, जो लोग प्यार करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. और अगर जो लोग प्यार से निकले हैं वो ऐसा प्यार ज़रूर चाहेंगे. सो इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग, वेरी रोमांटिक एंड सम सीक्वेंसेस आर वेरी फिल्मी लाइक शाहरुख खान एंड जूही चावला एंड उसने शिफॉन साड़ी पहनी है, वो स्लो मोशन में चल रहा है. आई एम डांसिंग वेरी फिल्मी वे. सो इट्स अ वेरी क्यूट सॉन्ग विद ब्यूटीफुल वीडियो.
On a very lighter note, are we late?
I'm sorry?
Are we late for releasing this album? Could have done on 14th Feb.
ऑन वैलेंटाइंस. बट रीना जी का एक और वीडियो रिलीज़ हुआ है जो अपना 14 फेब को हुआ है. बट आई थिंक जिन लोगों को प्यार हुआ होगा 14 पे, क्योंकि बहुत सारे कपल्स बनते हैं 14 को, बहुत सारे लोग प्रपोज करते हैं. सो 20 दिन बाद दे विल रिलेट विद दिस. सो वी आर नॉट लेट, वी आर स्टिल इन February. प्यार के महीने में हैं हम अभी भी. सो वी आर एंडिंग February with a beautiful note, I feel.
Fair enough, Aditya. Do you think there's so much as an artist, as potential, I would say, it has to be come out. You're a very underrated actor.
हाँ, a lot of people tell me that, but I've been very choosy. I'm an entrepreneur also. This is my company, Pop Culture. I'm a brand owner also, and a lot of other things. So हाँ ये भी है, but मेरा ये कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा काम के पीछे नहीं भागता हूँ, to be honest. And I've done television shows. I'm not saying I don't want to do a television show, but I am more an OTT person, I feel, and more a cooler zone. So yeah, so I'm not only an actor also.
Aditya, what's your take on the current Big Boss finale, or the winner, Ravina Dalek, or there's same confusion. It's very similar to what we have seen during Asim Riaz and Siddharth Shukla.
I was very sure कि रुबीना will win, not only by the end, but बीच में हमें पता चल गया था कि वही जीतेगी. Actually बीच में I used to think कि maybe Ijaz will win और रुबीना will win. But Rubina was a clear winner because she carried herself with a lot of dignity. She didn't do any gandagi in the house. Even if she was interacting with Abhinav, or she revealed about her and Abhinav, they were going through a divorce, or she conveyed it in a very beautiful way. She got connected with audience in a very nicer way, and I think she played her game very beautifully and very nicely.
After this, what next on professional front?
Well, I'm working on a web series which is a political family drama. Amazing role I am playing in that. I can't reveal much, but soon, yes, we'll definitely talk about it also. And maybe a bold short film also, maybe.
The political drama, should we eye another Tandav?
No, it's something else.
Thank you so much, Aditya.
I haven't seen Thunder, but I've heard about it.
Thank you so much, Aditya.
Thank you so much.